Welcome to my channel Tech Genius guys. Today I will show you that my game making library RAD engine. Today we make Flappy Bird in RAD engine library. It's a little bit different uh, to make game in game library. Mm, I don't think I can speak now because it's my own library. Okay, like this, you can paste the library dex files and jar files are given in tips folder of your application level this and just open build there and just write that line implementation files and lib slash jar. Okay, next come over here and just type name screen.txt and name it anything. I name it screen 1. This screen 1 is the screen main screen to make it show the game. Okay, next we want to make this function. I don't know this function works or not because it's a new function. I didn't test this function, so I don't know this function will work or not. If this function do not work, we will set to the real main functions. This function says that your main activity and main context to the game activity, and from that we can get all information about your activity in our game engine and just set up the screen. If you create a new screen, it wants a boolean value. That boolean value, if it is true, then it sets the mobile screen to the created screen. Okay, now we build this. It's building. What happening? It's building. Finally, it's built. Oh no, it's a problem. Okay, now we just delete this line and add this line. Okay, game activity dot activity is equals to this and game activity dot activity dot context is equals to this. Okay, context okay is equals to this. This lines provide the activity and context to our game library, and we create a view called game view to that. Okay, now we hide the action bar that is shown on the top of app. Okay, now we build this. If it is okay, then we will make our game. In this tutorial we will see how to set as create as text and add to screen. Okay, now I see. Okay, blank screen is created, blank white screen. Okay, now we go to this and just add a render loop. Render loop you can create with a timer and timer task. I suggest you that you can also do other methods like with handlers and many more. With timers, I found with timer task you can use run on UI thread, which makes this code run on UI thread to make more controllable. Okay, now we add run on UI thread. Okay, now new runnable. This runnable will make any code inside it run on UI thread. Okay, now we will implement the run method and just cut it down. Okay, now we want to add two new methods. Two new methods. Okay, now the method's name will be start and update. Okay, start method are written. Next, public void update. You can set it also as private. No one can access it. You want to access it in this, so you can set also set it is at protected. Also that. Okay, now you can uh, type like me and just update void there, call update void into the run method and start before the timer tasks. Okay, now we schedule the timer to 16 comma 16. This 16 is calculated as 16 milliseconds. The 16 millisecond is approximately equals to 50 frames per second. Milliseconds. Okay, I'll type that. You can easily understand. Okay. Millisecond. FPS. Well, I type FPS. Okay. Now we start to draw anything in this screen. Okay. In start loop nahi. That's start void. You can write screen dot game view dot add to screen text. You can add the text object. Text is equals new text object new. Okay, now we can add the string. String is a text you want to add in the text object. Okay, Flappy Bird we want to make Flappy Bird game. Like in next tutorials we will see how to make Flappy Bird with this. Okay, now we set the text color. Okay, text color will be color dot black. Okay, BLACK black. Okay, we will import the imports. Okay, fix imports. Okay, next if you are in Android Studio, there is a method to import all things. Okay, now text dot font size, we want to set the font size to 50. Okay, now we are okay and just run this code. Okay, I think it's okay for now. See you next tutorial. Okay, app building takes much more longer and play protection was protecting me. Okay, now open the app. Oh, success! It was success and Flappy Bird was showing in this. In next tutorials, we will make Flappy Bird with this. Okay, okay, now you are going. Bye. Bye bye. Go. Bye.